Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of a royal match with good settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of a royal match and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about a royal match. If you find update here, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't